Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to customize function keys on the Clevetura CLVX S. Let's begin! So, the function keys themselves are the F keys from F6 to up to F12 right here. And of course, the thing that they are the part of the touch slider actually isn't changing anything, and you shouldn't really worry about it. In order to change the buttons themselves, we want to go into the application called Touch on Keys. If you don't know how to get it, you can always watch our Get dedicated software tutorial. Anyway, we want to head into the last section with this keyboard icon, into function keys. And as you can see, by default, we have the F7 set to quick settings, previous, play, pause, next, and finally mute. This is all very typical. Also, by default, this is also nothing. I just, for testing, used to set it to my calculator for the funnies. But as you can see, the F6 and F12 by default aren't doing anything, and we can add custom behavior to them by, for example, assigning a custom keyboard shortcut, which is a huge deal, especially if you're using a lot of complicated software like, for example, the Adobe Photoshop or the Premiere or Krita or like all different complicated programs that require you to have many different shortcuts. So technically, if I would use something like art program or video editing program, I would simply add Ctrl+S in order to save my stuff up to F6. So now I don't really have to do Ctrl+S, instead I can just press F6 every single time I want to save something. And we can add many more things, like we can select all items in a document or a window. That's very powerful. We can go into the multimedia, and we can even do something like toggle microphone mute, which is a huge deal, especially if you tend to, for example, work a lot online. You can go into Windows and apps. So for example, we can enable scissors, we can enable print screen, and scissors, I believe, is just this nice way for you to take screenshots. So having this on a single button press is very good, because normally you have to do the, I believe, the Ctrl Windows S, but I could be mistaken, or Shift Windows S, I'm not entirely sure. Or we can do something funny, like, for example, make it so now every time we press F12, we will open the calculator or emoji or voice typing or narrator. Especially the narrator though is actually very good, especially if you have some sort of a person with disability. But I will leave my calculator, and now every single time I press this little button, I'm going to open calculators. Yay! And yeah, I believe that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!